Let's make a chicken saddle. So we got a piece of copy paper, 8.5 by 11, fold it in half, draw a line 1.5 inches on the folded side, and then I went 2.5 inches over and then 6.5 inches over from that. Then you just round the edges, cut it all out, take any fabric that you want and fold it in half, then fold the fabric and the pattern in half and pin it and cut. 10-inch long elastic, and this is going to be the inside of the chicken saddle. And then pin your elastic and place the right sides of fabrics together. Sew around and leave the top of the opening. Snip around the curves. Flip it. Fold and tuck elastic, then sew. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And here's Olive Oil. She is showing off